Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And what you're looking at is that tomahawk steak that's being sauteed off by Chef P and Bonz. Okay, we're gonna let it continue to sizzle a bit. And and the peppers, and the shrimp, and the mushrooms. Because I'm only cooking it al dente, which is halfway, family. And then I gotta put it in my lovely oven up under the charcoal to make sure of the temperature that I want, which is going to be medium well. So with that being said, Bonz is everything to me. Bonz, Bonz, Bonz in the bucket. Okay, family. We're going to continue to let that saute a little bit more. And over here, the chef is going to be participating in that saffron rice. Okay? Look back. Yes, look. Okay, because I want to get to my saffron rice. Okay, we're gonna give the saffron rice a stir. Now, the color that you see is the color of saffron, family. The rice is gonna become golden yellow. Okay? And this lovely tomahawk is gonna be served with that rice. Okay, family. Again, family, this is what made the world go round, the ups and downs, the kerosene. Bonz is your TV like changing things. Both turned around, right here in your face. Bonz in the bucket, this is Chef P. We make that world go round and round. Until next time, hands on, hands in. Stay tuned for the finished product in about 40 minutes. Boom!